Hello, welcome to How Do You Tech YouTube channel. Today, let's take a look at Vivo U10 smartphone along with specs, customer ratings, pros and cons. Let's start. Vivo U10 is one of the best budget smartphones which looks very good in design and operates smoothly. Although little big on hand, the phone looks and feels like a high-priced premium phone. At a price tag of just less than 10,000 rupees, you get a 3-camera setup at the rear and also a 18-watt fast charging capacity, which is actually a pleasant surprise. For this price range, the display looks great and battery performance is top-notch. In fact, battery performance is one of the main highlights of Vivo U10. You can get through a full day with almost 30% of the battery remaining. This includes some gaming, watching videos on YouTube, and also recording some HD videos. The phone is preloaded with FunTouch OS on top of Android OS, which is actually one of the negative aspects of the phone. It's due to the fact that this FunTouch OS comes loaded with unnecessary apps. Sometimes some apps take little time to load. Now let's check out specifications of Vivo U10. The mobile comes with 6.35 inches HD Plus display. The max resolution supported is 720 by 1544 pixels. Vivo U10 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor with AI engine. The smartphone sports a 3-camera setup at the back with 13-megapixel wide-angle primary camera, a 8-megapixel ultra-wide secondary camera, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. You can record 1080p HD videos at 30 frames per second. The front camera is an 8-megapixel camera that also can record HD videos. You can get 3 different variants of this phone: 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage, then 3GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, and 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. However, you also get a dedicated microSD card slot using which you can add storage up to 256GB. Apart from this dedicated slot, you also have a dual nano SIM setup where both slots support 4G network. You also get dual band support for Wi-Fi in Vivo U10. And as expected, you get all the normal features such as Bluetooth version 5.0, fingerprint scanner, face unlock, accelerometer, and others. Let's look at the pros and cons of Vivo U10. Please note that I am listing out only the top 4 pros and cons that are taken from reviews submitted by Vivo U10 customers on Amazon.in website as of today, the 8th of May 2020. Let's start with the pros. Although this phone is a budget phone, Vivo U10 looks and feels like a top premium smartphone. As I specified earlier in the video, probably the biggest highlight of this phone is its battery. With 5000 mAh battery capacity, you get through 1.5 days even with above average usage like some gaming, HD video recording, and also watching some HD content on the smartphone. You get 2 nano SIM slots along with a dedicated SD card slot, meaning you can use 2 4G network SIMs along with SD card up to 256GB as additional storage all at the same time. Screen guard comes pre-installed with the phone. This is good because you don't have to run to your nearest mobile store to purchase and install a screen guard for your Vivo U10. Now let's check out the cons. There is a performance lag when you keep some apps open in the background. This generally happens when the phone is unable to manage RAM efficiently. When you already have some apps open in the background, opening a new app may take a few more seconds to load. You can really notice the slow performance. Although Vivo U10 comes with a 3-camera setup at the back of the phone, the performance of the camera is questionable. The still images and the HD videos does not provide proper justification to the powerful cameras that this phone has at the back. Same is the case with the front camera too. Maybe this can be fixed by some software update in the future. In the meanwhile, you can try using Google Camera app and check if you get better quality photos and videos. Lot of bloatware are installed with the phone, and the annoying part of this is you get notifications from many of these unwanted apps. You will have to disable notifications for many of these apps one by one. In fact, it's better to uninstall them if you don't use them at all. Like many budget smartphones, the sound quality from Vivo U10 is poor. In other words, it's not loud enough. Vivo U10 has received more than 25,000 customer reviews at Amazon.in website. And based on these ratings, the mobile gets 4.3 stars out of 5 stars as overall rating. You can purchase Vivo U10 for Rs 9,990 at Amazon.in website. This price is as of 8th May 2020. The price may change based on when you are watching this video. So please check the price first before you purchase the mobile. If you would like to purchase Vivo U10, I request you to use the Amazon link that I have provided in the description down below. It's an Amazon affiliate link and it does not cost you anything to use the link and purchase the phone. However, by doing so, you will be supporting our channel. Please provide your comments on Vivo U10 in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please click on that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and click on that bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos to this channel. Have a nice day.